guys, you're welcome back to my tutorial. How you doing? I hope you are good. Thank you guys for your support on this channel. Thank you for what you have done on this channel so far. I appreciate you all. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload my new videos. So on today's tutorial, we are going to be making this beautiful maxi wrap dress. So this is what we are going to be making today. So it has slits at the back, so it's very easy to cut and sew. So guys, without further ado, let's move to our work table. Connecting it to my shoulder slope, here I'm cutting the half length. I have 16 inches for my half length plus 1 inch, making 17 inches. So I'm cutting my armhole right here. So to the waist, so I'm cutting to the waist right here. All right, I'm through with cutting. So I'm going to place this material on the remaining fabric to bring the back panel. All right guys, I placed my pattern paper on the remaining fabric to cut. If you don't know how to do this, you can check it on this channel. I have tutorial on how to cut an overlapping flare top, so you can check it on my channel for better explanation. So I'm cutting right here. So I'm cutting my shoulder slope. I'm cutting my armhole. So this is my armhole I'm cutting right here. And to my waist. So this is what I've done. So I'm removing the pin now. So this is what I have. All right guys, I will place this on the remaining fabric to cut the other panel. You know, we have two panels for the front because it's an overlapping dress. So we are cutting the front panel into two. So this is what I'm doing. I placed the other one. I used my paper to on the remaining fabric to bring the remaining panel out. All right, so if you notice, you will know that there is slit at the back panel. So I'm going to add either button or hook at that point. So I'm measuring my waist. Yeah, so you know my waist should be 16 inches normally, but because I'm adding elastic at the waist area, so I have excess at that point. So this is the lining. I've cut the lining. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my machine now and use my machine to join the lining like so, both front panel and the back panel. I'm going to join them together with my machine. So this is what I want to do. All right guys, I'm moving to the down part of the dress. So I'm cutting by my waist measurement. You know, I will add elastic at the down part. So I have 32 inches for the waist measurement I'm working with for this tutorial. So what I will do is to just multiply my waist measurement by my desired measurement, but I will multiply my waist measurement by 2. So for the purpose of this tutorial, so that shows I will have 64 inches. So I think 64 inches will be okay for everything I want to do. So this is what I'm going to cut and add elastic at the waist area to gather upper part and lower part too. Okay, I'm through with cutting the down part. So I'll go to my machine now and start the gathering. So I'll first of all gather it together before I join the elastic. So this is what I want to do right here, and I will come and show you how it looks like. Okay, I'm through with joining, as you can see. So my waist measurement altogether is 22. That shows I will be having 44 for front panel and the back panel, and my normal waist measurement is 32 inches. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I added some inches to it because I will use my elastic to gather the waist together. So this is what I'm doing here. I have 32 inches for my waist measurement. My normal waist measurement is 32 actually, but because of this tutorial, the style we're making, I added some inches to it, so making 44. So I will use my elastic to gather it, as I've said. So this is the elastic I'm going to use. So this is the elastic I'm going to use. So you can use white elastic or black or any color you want. So as you can see, the back slit, so this is the hook I'm going to use at that side. So because I will not leave it like that, I will add this or hook at that part. So this is my sleeve. I've cut my sleeve, and I'm going to add my sleeve after the elastic. So this is what I want to do. Okay, this is what I have for my overlapping maxi dress. It's very simple to cut and sew. Alright guys, you have to do it all, and I'm wearing it for you. It's very easy to cut and sew. If you can follow this method, I'm assuring you will thank me. So can you see the back panel? Can you see the slit part? I added the hook I told you about. So it's very perfect. This is very beautiful. It's beginners friendly. So it's very beautiful, easy to cut and sew. So please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell down there to get notified whenever I upload my new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next tutorial. I love you. Bye.